Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome back. Root Beer here. We're looking at question number 13 now on the 2003 Cayley competition. Okay, so question 13. In the diagram, ABCD is a square with a side length of 10. They have that shown up here with the side length AB. If AY is equal to CX is equal to 8, the area of the shaded region is. Okay. So, a couple ways that we can do this one. I usually like to, when I'm doing a shaded region question, realize it as an area that I can calculate, often by adding up smaller areas of like triangles or easy to calculate rectangles, or by taking things away from a larger object. So in this case, I noticed that the shaded strip is actually the whole square with two triangles, both of side length 10 and 8, taken away. Okay, so that'd be a great way to figure out the area of this strip. Another way we can do it is we can realize that this strip here, if we take a look at it, happens to be a parallelogram. Okay, completely parallel, all these sides. And if AY is 8, then YD, because the whole side has to be 10, must be 2. So it's a base of 2, and we can see that our height for this parallelogram, if we just sort of flip it on its side, a height is 10. So 2 times 10, we should get an area of this strip being 20. Either way you do it is perfectly fine, or if you have your own way of doing it, that's great too. But I'm going to stick with the way I usually do these questions and realize that the shaded region is a difference in areas here. So, a shaded region is just the whole square minus this top triangle, which has side lengths 10 and 8, and minus this bottom triangle, which also has dimensions 10 and 8. And this square has side lengths of 10. So, the shaded region is going to be 10 squared for the area of the square minus the area of these two triangles, and since they're right angle triangles, because they're the corners of this square, we can easily figure out we got a base of 10 and a height of 8 here, so 1/2 base times height. And then for this other one, it's again 1/2 base of 10 times height of 8. So 10 squared, that's 100, minus a half of 80 is 40, minus another half of 80 is 40. So this is 100 minus 80 is 20, just the same 20 that I predicted looking at it like a parallelogram. Either way you do it is fine, so let's find 20 amongst our answers. It's right there, it's B. So we bubble in B, and that was a fantastic little question. I like that. I like that there were sort of two ways you could look at it, a difference in areas, or recognize that this really is a parallelogram. Okay? So we're going to take a look at question number 14, but we'll do that in the next video. Thanks for watching.